Hey guys, it's Creepington. I hope you can hear me and see me alright. Um, let's see. Is it live yet? Are we live, guys? My thing isn't showing me yet. Okay. What's going on? Am I working? I can't tell. Is it working? Hold on, guys. Oh, it is working. Okay, good. It's just lagging. Okay. So, today I'm gonna be going to be coding the thing I was coding yesterday. I have a few things to work on today. I think we're going to work on the backend and the blog part and the user auth. Um, sorry if I don't know exactly what I was doing. I am kind of new to the front end stuff, but the um the the backend I'm more into. So yeah, hold on. Pull everything up. Okay, so you have a checklist here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have the checklist, and I have, oh, that's not working. I have the checklist here of what I'm gonna be doing. Got away. So yeah. That's stupid. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Okay, well, we got a few things to do. One of them is to, well, we have to, oh god, really? Okay, hi guys. So, I'm coding, if you're new to the stream, if you guys are new to the stream, then check out, I'm creating or coding a full stack website from scratch, and if you haven't already, check out this last stream, because I have started already, but you can see I have the checklist, here, and it has the things I'm going to be doing, and right now I'm going to be, I think, adding the blog part to actually interact with the backend. So add the blog component and add it to the route. Yeah. So we're gonna do that now, I think. Well, I'm sorry if it was slow last time. I think I'm gonna fix that a little bit better. So it's gonna work. I'm not sure. Hope it works. If it works, that would be great. Oh, oopsie, we have to change. There we go. Just fix it. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even. Oh my god, what am I doing? I didn't even run it. Oh my god. Did I run it? No. Wait. I think it's. Yeah, it is npm. So, oh. Sorry, guys. Okay. Should it be loading now? Like here to say it? What the heck? Is it loading? I can't tell. It's taking a while, that's for sure. Okay. Hello, what's happening? This thing is being annoying, of course. Okay. Being utterly annoying. I'm just gonna restart it. It's being weird. Come on. Getting annoying. Why is it so slow? What do I do this? I fix it. CD. No, actually. Oh, there you go. It is working. It's just taking so long. Yeah. Yay. I think it is working. Too. Okay. So, if this does work, you will see I have a simple website that I have made over here. So you can see that in a second. Yeah. So I created this little website tutorial. And you can see it says about me, and that didn't work yet, but this is like the homepage link, and this is just the homepage right now. I am going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to, do more, I'm going to, should we add the about me page? I think the homepage could be the about me. Well, that's fun. Well, now we gotta create the blog here. So, the next step to create the blog here is to actually create the backend first. I mean, we could create the component first, but yeah. So I'm gonna go into, actually no, I'm gonna do front end. To go to front end, we create a can you guys hear me right? Oh yeah, you cannot be hearing me, good. We create a component like I did before, and we can create a component, and we're gonna call it blog. Actually, yeah, blog. And then this is actually no, that's not never mind. This is service. How do you do it? Hold on. I believe that's how you do it. Okay, pull this up. This does work. I'm just gonna yeah, I think that works. That works. Okay. So, oh yeah, I feel like explaining that the services are the interact with things behind the scenes. So, for example, if you have, I believe I have my blog service, so this can interact with the API in the backend, in the background. So, and then it'll load itself automatically. So we're gonna do that, and then when we create the blog service, next thing we want to do is actually hold on, I need to double check something. I think we have no, we don't. So we need to import in the app.module.typescript file. We need to import the HTTP client library or module. That should be right. I think it says Angular / HTTP. Wait, it's not there yet. Oh, we have to install it. Oh my god. Here, you need to npm I HTTP. No wait. You can install the HTTP library. I think here. I'm going to add that to the thing when it's loading. Once that's that, I'm going to add it to the thing. Hey, hold on. I'm adding stuff to the checklist right now. To the here now. Okay. And then we want to services. Services are background processes that interact with things such as a backend. Testing. Oh, is that it? Oh, HTTP module. It's to import the HTTP module here in the app module file, and then we go in here and add it to imports. HTTP module. Here. Yep, we get that at the comma. There we go. Now we have the thing, and it should automatically restart itself. Now, I haven't done anything yet, because we haven't done anything, but yeah, it's going to be required. So then we enter the, I think it's the HTTP client, I think so. Yeah. We can import the HTTP client in the, what's it called? Oh, I gotta see that. Oh. That's weird. Okay, that's great. I am confused. That's just weird. Not HTTP though. I'm so confused. What? Yeah, like zip, dude. It's so weird. Oh my god. Yeah, my internet's being stupid for some reason. Sorry about that, guy. My internet like totally derped out just now. I don't know what happened. I think my computer's stupid, and I don't know what I did there. But I mean, the internet fixed itself. So, alright, so you guys can hear what we did. We imported the HTTP client from the Angular Common HTTP in order to access our backend, which we're about to create now. So to create the backend, we're going to go to we'll create a new folder called, what was it, outside of the front end, called backend. This is just the main root. So backend here, and then we go to change cd backend, and then we want to into npm init -y. I'm going to go back to the checklist and check the X off here, and then we're going to install the dependencies of our project for the backend here, and make sure we're in the backend folder. And in order to do that, I'm installing all the backend dependencies here. Check that off the list, and let install. Let's see a minute. But you see, now we could also in the blog service we can add a get post function or method here. We can have the get post method, which will allow you to get the post of from the blog to API. We'll look at that in a minute. Also, we're using a MongoDB at the back end, so if you don't have that, you should get that. You can install it on a Linux, Mac, Windows, whatever. But I'm installing it on here with VS Code extension, so it automatically boots up with one click. Here, it's in a different language, but if you enter Mongo Auto, yeah, it's the first one, Auto MongoDB. Anyway, so now we can install the backend. We can look at that. So go back to backend. Oh yeah, that should be good. So go to package.json in the backend, and we do start. And create a start script. We don't need the test script. We do create start, and then we do type tsc see. I think it's TSC minus watch. No, wait, no. TSC and wait. No, that's right. TSC and let's see if this works. TSC, which is TypeScript compiler, which we have here. TSC and oh, sorry guys. And node this plus index.js. This is like the compiled TypeScript file. So now we need to actually we need to run the oh yeah, right. So we go to the backend and we run TSC no types is it TSC minus init. That's it. We init the TypeScript file. Let's get the configuration, and we go to the newly created configuration. We do uncomment our directory and change it to dist, as we did here. It says dist. So we change this to dist, and that should be done. And then we create a index.js or TypeScript TS index.js file, and here is where we start out. So we can do import, and this is part of TypeScript, by the way. Import express from express, and import monk from monk, and then monk is the MongoDB thing for our database. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to say this. You need the TypeScript file for Express. So in order to install that, we need to go to add the dependency of types slash Express. I'm not sure about the other ones, but and then we add types. Then we install npm I types slash Express. Should work. To fix the bug. And then we can do import import bcrypt from bcrypt. And we need type slash bcrypt, I guess. Oopsie. We also need to do the bcrypt, I guess. Okay. What am I doing? Type slash bcrypt. Okay. Should take a minute, I guess. There we go. So with this fish, we added the bcrypt file, so this should work now. I think and then we can do import. No, let's just stick with that. So we have the file here, and I believe we do. Let me double check on this, but I believe we need to let's see. We need to create a database using constant db equals monk, and then what we're gonna do here, actually, this is not the best idea, but for now I'm gonna use put the database URL in here. But I do not recommend doing this, as if you publish your code, people can see your database password if you put it in here, so I don't recommend doing that. At the moment I'm using no password, but if you guys have a password, I'll explain it maybe another day, because that is very crucial, because otherwise people can just steal your password right now. So I'm going to work on that later, but for now I'm just don't have a password, so we're good. So we do MongoDB : this is the URL thing, so, and / localhost : 271.017 / let's create a database. We're gonna call it tutorial. Now we're gonna do constant users. Constant post equal db.get post. Now, unlike Mongoose, the other MongoDB library, now this is for the backend actual, like the API, the actual thing to run the server. So now we do app equals express app.get. This is where you create the routes, similar to the previous live stream, with some Angular, but in this case it's a little different. Do app.get or post, which is for another method, but we're just going to do get. App.get request response, which is what the two are. Request and response, and then we do like an arrow function here. Arrow function. Response or res dot send hello world. This is Angular backend for the full stack site tutorial. Go. And then you can it'll send them that message. Now we can do app.listen app.listen 3000 no, we do 8080. Let's do 8080 instead of 3000. So, and then we do another arrow function like this to show that when it's listening, we console log. So we log to the console when it's done, when it's actually working. Otherwise it won't work. So, otherwise, how do we know if it's working or not? So, people tell us. Console.log express backend listening on port 8080. Boom. That should work with the backend. Now we go to backend and run npm start. If I did it correctly, it should work. We'll double check that, but I did something. I don't want that. Let's see. Oh look, so we ran npm start and ran the script here that we created and compiled the TypeScript file, and then it ran it. And you see it says express app or express backend listening on port 8080. If we did not enter this little arrow function, we don't have to, it's not required. But if we do enter this part, then it won't tell us if it's working. That's just a little message. So it's very handy. So now we go another thing and we type in localhost. In this case, it's the localhost colon 8080. Boom. Now it says hello world. This is an Angular backend for the full stack tutorial. See what I'm saying, guys? It works. Now we can begin coding the blog part now, and I'm gonna work on that now. So go back to the checklist. We are adding the blog here. I'm creating a checklist. Sorry, guys. Okay. Create and import express, and then blog post route. So imported express. We created our app here. Now the next step is to is to actually create a blog post. Now at the moment I don't have any good way of, I'm gonna use Postman for this, but I don't have any good way. I haven't really set up your authentication yet. So if anyone can just create a blog post, so that it's kind of like a free form, which is bad because you can also delete your blog post if we eventually. So we're gonna want to add your authentication eventually, but for now I'm not gonna do that. So Postman is our request thing, so we can type in our request to Postman and we'll send it to our server. So while this is loading, I'm going to app.get/post, and then we do the arrow function again, like we did the previous one, and then this is going to get our post. And well, this is not loading apparently. Kind of sucks. I don't know why. I'm kind of dumb. Okay. So we do app. Okay, there we go. Now it wants to work. So now here with this, and this is for the, which is called Postman. So we create a new request, and we do get HTTP :/localhost:8080, which is the backend, /post. So we go back. That's what this should be. This post. So now we can create the post. We can do content post equal content result equal post. I think it's post find, and then we press in a empty object here in order to find all the posts. Now we do res.json result. This will send a JSON message like this object here. A JavaScript object. It's also JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation or whatever. So yeah. Now we created the response, and that should work. So now, since there's nothing there, we'll turn the empty array. To send this. Oh yeah, we have to restart the server. I'm killing me. So we restart the server. Go into here. You send it. See this? This is our post. The reason why it does that is because there are no posts right now. So now we have to get the post to actually create a post. Now actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a form in Angular. Here. We are going to create a form here for the post. But before we do that, let's do this. After post is going to add something. Okay, so I think the internet glitched out again. Sorry guys. We're gonna want to create a post. We're gonna want to add user auth. We're also going to want to add. We also want to add. We want to add the method of wait, what are I doing? I completely forgot. Sorry guys. Okay. Post. I don't even know. Okay, well. Okay. Oh yeah. Validate form data. So if someone enters in like a post name or post title of, I don't know, like nothing, if you just enter nothing, literally. If you enter nothing in the post title, it can still get created, which is the problem because you don't want an empty post being showing up in the website. It could still work. So what we're going to do, we want to validate the post data. But for now, I'm not going to do that. But we're going to do that later. But for now, not. So I'm going to do we're going to do constant. No, let's do var bar post equal post equal and equal, and then request.body dot. This is request.body. Request.body. We posted with script. Oh yeah, sorry guys, because you did. Once you up here at the app.use express.body. Is this it? How? No, sorry. Express.json this is gonna let us parse the body here from the body or the content of the, or to get the actual post, we need to use the JSON express method. Now, we can do let's see, post up here from the database dot get post dot, what is it? Insert. I think so. Insert post. Post dot insert post. This will enter the post that we have here, as you can see, and this should work. And then you do dot then, which is a promise, whatever you call it, that in JavaScript. And yeah, maybe I can explain that more later, but in the fundamentals of JavaScript or something. But for now, it's gonna continue. So the enter post created, and then you created another arrow function. So when it's created, we want to send the new created post first. If not created, if the post not been created and there was an error, we want to return res.status 500.json message post not created. And we can do error. Well, so then if, and then this means if it's not created, it will give them an error saying it's not created, and it will give us status of 500, which is internal server error, I believe. Now, if it's created, which we've already validated that it's been created, if created, then res.json created. Boom. That should be our thing. So now, although this is not very secure yet, so anyone can just delete a post to create anything, it should work. Now if we restart the backend, and we go to here, where we did the post, and then we set the get instead of get to post request, and then we enter something like content and the title, should work, and then we send. And then see, it returned the post back with the ID that it has. You can see. So it has created the post, and it returns the ID back with it, with that 2i, if it does work. Otherwise, and it says 200 OK. This is a response that it is successful. So now we got our first post. Now, if we go back to a new request and we type in same thing we did before, except instead the post, we get the post. You'll see. Well, that didn't work. Yeah, it didn't really work correctly. Huh. Okay. That's great. Yeah, that didn't exactly work. I'm just giving them an error if it doesn't work. Error fetching post. There we go. I'm going to restart it again. Okay, so if you get the post, it returns nothing. That's not good. Oh, maybe we need to. Hmm. Interesting thing. That's odd. No. That catch. Error. Let's try this. There we go. So we do that. Should fix it. Let's see. I don't know what's going on, guys. Kind of annoying. So if listening, we send it. Definitely created though. That's interesting. So it created it, and then it didn't show it. That's weird. Okay, maybe we'll fix it. If we do post.find, let's see this work. I may have fixed it, I may have not. Send it. Okay, that's weird. What's happening? Sorry guys, this is really odd. It should be returning a response, but it's not. We're supposed to return the post, but it's returning empty even though it's been created. Yeah, give me a second. Sorry guys, give me a second. Oh, that's why. I see. So we do that then. Okay, I see why it didn't work. So we have to add the dot then thing. Dot then. Then post. God, this internet is weird, dude. I'm so confused. The internet is being incredibly weird right now. Okay, I don't know what's happening there, guys. Okay, so do this now. There we go. There's are two posts that I accidentally created. So let me delete those. Get into Mongo to client. Mongo. Get into the client. And to remove those. I'm removing all the posts right now. Okay. So, see, there's no post, empty post. You create a post, first post. See, and then it returns all the posts right there. As you can see. Cool, right, guys? Now we have to get the front end working. So that's the next step. We go back to the front end. We close out this for now. Blog.service, get post. Yeah, let's actually create a file called source model. Let's create the source model. And let's create a new file in the front end in the model folder called post.ts. This is like a model basically. It's representing our posts. To export default slash post, and then we do title colon string content colon string, boom. There we go. Have this. Now we're at the blog service. We can into HTTP. We to go in the structure, add HTTP client. Now private HTTP client. Create an instance of, or inject it into the blog service client. No, let's do HTTP. Oh, HTTP colon. There we go. Because the client here, this .http dot get, like this is what we did in here. We got the post. Now we're actually going to do something here. We're going to go to the environment folder, which we haven't accessed yet, and then go to the environment.ts. This is, we're going to add a backend URL, http //localhost 8080. Boom. And then I'm going to copy that, paste it in the production one. What the heck? Siri. We're going to paste it in the production one, and we're just going to leave the same for now. So when you, in the production one is when you like finally publish your app, and you're ready to publish it and release it. This is where this is the URL of your public backend, like with your domain name. But for now, we don't have a domain. So we do and go back to service, do app.get environment. It should auto import it from environment, and environment.backend URL /post. Boom. Let's pick up, and we should return the observable. The observable post. Boom. We have our first get post method. Now the next step is actually create the post component. We're gonna do, I think, did we already do it? No, we didn't. Okay. So we go into the home page, home.component.ts, you post the colon array, actually, wait, go back, observable array of posts. There we go. Oops, sorry guys. We go back to the server, then I'm going to actually do an array of posts, because it's multiple posts. We don't just have one post. Array of posts. Need to import that. Now we need to also inject our new blog service, private blog service. Blog service. Then we do in it blog service get post, and then we do subscribe in the arrow function post. There we go. And then when the post has been received, if post equals no, this.post equals post. Boom. Next thing, it's almost done. Oh. What did I do wrong? We need to make it public here. You can see we had to make it public. And the get post has to be public. Important. Now we can go to the home page and we can add, and we can do a for loop. Do ng4. Do it. ID equals post. And we do let. Then here's where we end. We got the post here. Here, right up here. We received the post. And if they are, then we let post of post. And then we do div class equals post. Then we do like card or thing. You know what we could actually do for now? I think we could do this. Do a card. We do a bootstrap card, I think. Card title. Oh. Div card title. That work? Card body. Div card title. The card title should have the post dot title. Actually, no. Ng if post. If the post is a post. No, I don't even need that. Never mind. If the post dot title and the post dot content, it should continue. Post dot, no, sorry guys. I'm gonna put the two brackets here, which are the Angular stuff, so you can get the stuff from here, from the component, TSQL. Then you're going to get the title, post the title, and the new, and we can do card text, post dot content. And actually, I think we don't want to do that. And then let's just open that. Then it should be done. And then if it does work, let's double check why it didn't work. No provider. Okay, let's see. Let's see why it did that. No provider. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Didn't I put this in there? Wait, I think the provider might need to be in instead. See, fix it. No. That's great. So what? That's weird. Give me a second, guys. I gotta look this up. Oh, you can input an HTTP client module. I'm a goofball. Okay. HTTP client module from HTTP common HTTP client module. That's why the client module. This should work out. I was just so confused myself there, and then it didn't work. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to do one thing. It does say it worked, right? But it didn't. It gave it error because, you know, sometimes I just hate my internet. Sometimes I just freaking hate my computer because the internet keeps going offline for some reason, and I can't live stream like that. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm at work now. So what we want to do, if you want to install the chorus library, if you haven't already heard that, then we want to then we want to add that. We're going to go to the back end and install the chorus library. Then we want to add app.use chorus. Actually, we need to import chorus as well. Import chorus from chorus. Oh, we need to do type /chorus. Yeah, I'm I keep missing things, guys. We need to add the type /chorus. Here. We need to add the type /chorus. For TypeScript, we add the type chorus. Let's do that real quick. Type /chorus. Then we need to add we imported chorus, we added the app.use chorus, and then we run the backend again. And what should happen is we should see the fully working app. Oh my god, it worked. See guys, look at the first post. Hello world. And remember, we added the post. And if we add a post, it should add it. Here. But at the moment it looks really bad. So let's fix that. Let's fix that here. Let's try to fix that because obviously it doesn't work. Yeah, we definitely don't want that. To it. Enter. Keep like. If you want to add to the card, here at the card here. Oh, no, that's deflex. Justify content centers. Here, that would be. Nope. Why does it look so bad? You know what? Oh my dog. Good dog. Okay, why does it still look so weird? I need to figure that out. Let's just go into the style sheet. MX Auto. Try that. Try that. Card. Why did you do this? That's weird. No, that's not intended. Oh, there we go. See, here we go, guys. Sorry. So I added flex direction column to my page content, and I fixed it. And now we have this little thing. We have this little what up viewers. Now it didn't center yet. Try this. Try to fix that centering. Oh my god, I hate this. Now we can do that. Did you do card? Can you post dot card, and we do width 50%. Now let's do 75. Height. Min height. Let's do min height. Do 150 px. That'd work. There we go. Okay, guys. And we're gonna be adding some styles for the flex. See if we can get this to be in the middle. Well, that's probably fine. I'm gonna do that. Then the card. I'm gonna do the card. Card / title. Font, weight, bold. Color. Let's do like red. Look. That kind of looks nice. It's the red and blue style. And the first post, no, let's do blue. Let's see, background color. Gray. Let's do it. There we go, guys. We have a little post. Let's if it doesn't look right. Do card, text, font, weight, no. Color, this, I don't know if it's gonna look good, but see white. That looks kinda good. So we have our first website, guys. So that's pretty much done. I mean, sorry if I didn't really explain it very well, or if I really didn't really know what I was doing. But you can see I clearly have the first post. This is like the first part of our thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I might actually do some more tonight, but I am going to. No, I'm gonna keep working on it, guys. I'm not gonna stop the live stream just yet. But this is the end of the tutorial, I guess, for now. But so what we did with this review, we did all the backend stuff. We created a post. We imported it. We added the blog to the home component. Like that. So what is next? We have until that. Oh no, let's do the user authentication. I think that'll be fun. So we're gonna do the authentication next. Dot and again V. So what did you new thing, guys? I know it's just kind of like going off the main part, but we are going to add the user authentication here. Let's do that. And no, actually, well, before we add, no, let's do, yeah, let's do, sorry. Yeah, let's add monk. No, add people to the thing. I keep opening that for some reason. I'm going to figure out how to use the password thing. Yeah, let's add. Oh yeah, right. Let's add .env so we can parse the password from the admin password. Let's do core. No. We can install that. Now let's do it. npm .env import config add .env from .env env config there we go .env there we go. So env config, let's create a password. Admin password equal, let's do like 1 2 3 4 and the this is a really bad idea but admin username admin email equal, let's enter my email here, add a here we go. So we have the password and email. No. Okay. I am doing this now. Boom. Shouldn't have an error now. We got the little configuration. Now we can work on the authentication, actually. The admin. Let's do it. credentials from the post. This is the admin credential. If credential that the email equals, if the email equals env.paris dot no. There. If we post yeah. I'm redoing some of the code here. Throwing things out. Okay. Should work. Great thing. Not it. What? How is it a string? Oh. Okay. If the email and the password and the email and the password take all of this and put it in there. Else, if the credentials are incorrect, do res.status let's see. The AC status for one receives invalid password or credential. The JSON message colon invalid credential. Boom. So if they enter, that should work. No, it should work. Okay. So we got the admin password here, and we got the credentials. Now we need to create a form for the component. Let's do it. Do npm ngc generate component. We'll put next to it's me. ng okay, ngc component. We're creating a component for the post here. Here we go. Okay, we have the admin post, create post. Now let's create the form for the post. First thing we have to import the forms module here. Let's see that. Import forms module. Boom. We imported the form module here. Add it to your import. No, that didn't work. Boom. We have the form. So we added the form, now we have to actually create the form. Let's do it. Okay, let's create a form. So we'll do create post component. We'll do app slash header. Post slash word. So form ID equals create post ng submit so right now I'm creating the form. Do this. Log service. Okay, form control. Let's import that. We import the form control. Now we do new form control. Okay. Hey. Boom. Content. Boom. Okay. I'm gonna end the live stream here, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to smack the like button and pay attention to the future stream. Anyways, guys, bye.